I was talking to this man over there, asking him if he's seen my flipper. He said no. I don't think he really knew what I was talking about. I'm going to follow this track back to the road. Hopefully get a lift. Or somebody, because I'm bloody thirsty. Well, that flipper's gone, I think. Want to go back and drink some beers. Drink some water. Hopefully no tigers. Or big cats. Nearly there. Oh God, I hope someone's driving past soon. That'd be awesome. I saw someone going the opposite way before. To say hello. So, red car going that way. So I'm going that way for 4 kilometers. So I'll see you when I get